You've been putting in the work and you have been studying so hard in preparation for your HRCI and SHRM certification exams. But reality hits. You've worked so hard, but how do you answer the test questions? Well, there's a strategy to that. And so today we're talking about test taking strategy. My name is Jessica Miller Merrill, and I'm the founder of Workology and creator of the ACE, the HR certification exam. And so today we're diving into test taking strategy for your HRCI or SHRM certification exams. It's easy to get overwhelmed when reality hits. You have put in the work and now you have your test date looming. Exam day is upon you. So, how do you prepare and perform come test day? Well, first things first, step one, you want to make sure that you read the question fully. Read the question fully, understand the question, and grasp it before you move on to step two, which is eliminating answers that you know right off the bat are incorrect. You want to eliminate those answers because even if you aren't unsure of what the answer is, you've increased the likelihood just by pure chance that you're going to get that question correct. You want to ask yourself WWSD. You want to put yourself in the exam company's or organization's shoes. That's SHRM or HRCI. Hence, what would SHRM do? This is important for you to think about because the answer that I would provide oftentimes as an HR professional is very different than what SHRM would do. And that's because SHRM works in, just like HRCI, in black and white, where HR professionals in our daily lives as practitioners, we work so much in the gray. So ask yourself, what answer is the one that likely SHRM or HRCI would write or select? It might be one or two answers, but you have narrowed down the field more than before. Step 4 of test taking strategy when you're reading an exam question on exam day is to go with your gut. Don't overthink it. We have a limited time to work through all these exam test questions, so you don't want to be rushing. In fact, you want to leave 30 to 45 minutes at the end of the exam so that you have time to review. So go with the first answer that your gut tells you. And if you're unsure still, flag that test question and you can go back to it later. But go with your gut, flag the question, and then make time for review. Don't question yourself. Don't spend time rereading and rereading the question. Go with your gut. It is likely that that is the correct answer if we follow these 4 steps. Well, there you have it. There is your 4-step test taking strategy to help you ace your HRCI or SHRM certification exams. What more do you need? Well, you want to make sure that you've eaten a good meal the night before, you've had your breakfast, but also you're hydrated and you've got enough sleep. You want to give yourself the best chance and you want your brain functioning at optimal levels, which means eating, sleeping, and drinking lots of water. My name is Jessica Miller Merrill, and I'm the founder of Workology and the creator of ACE, the HR certification exam. Workology provides HR certification prep as well as SHRM certification prep, and you can learn more at learn.workology.com.